Today we will talk about data analysis on Indonesia's import data with Asian countries. This is today's outline. So for the introduction, Southeast Asia has many developing countries and is one of a big region in Asia. One of them is Indonesia that has several changes over several years such as the change of regime, international debt, and also the corruption. But there is also a global economic crisis on 2007 until 2009. It has a lot of impact on Southeast Asia countries as the developing countries. But there is an association of Southeast Asian nations. It's actually an agreement to build a better region for all Southeast Asia countries.
At first, we collected data from UN Comtrade and used Hadoop and Java for this report in two main reasons. One is to handle the big data set, and second is to filter and get the useful information that we need, and using Excel to analysis and then get the result at the end. There are many characteristics can be observed by analyzing the charts. Take some for example. The main idea of this chart is observation. As we can see, from 2013, the trading value of vegetables are decreased for both Malaysia and Singapore. That's because the Indonesia has created a new agricultural policies from 2013 to decrease the trading value of vegetables. The main idea of this chart is the prediction. The seafood trading value growing rapidly from 2013, so we can predict what caused this problem and how they can affect in the future. The idea of this chart is a comparison. We can say that some of the commodities are related to each other or inversely proportional. As we can see, that when the iron barrel decreases, the article of iron increasing, and vice versa.
Okay, from this graph, we can tell the forecasting of the 2016 trade value. You can see from the Laos, Indonesia has a good trade relationship with Laos, and it tells that Indonesia has a good buying power in the future. So we have several recommendations for local investor. They can look up into the commodities that has increasing trade value and open a new area of business to accommodate the demand for that commodities. For overseas investor, from the forecast, investor can tell that Indonesia has a good buying power and relationship, and investors should have enough confidence to invest in Indonesia. For government, they should create a new policy regarding the increasing trade value in several commodities to reduce the trade value in the future. For the conclusion, the extraction of data provide many valuable information, not just forecasting, but there are several factors that contribute in the change of value, such as local policy. So we need to put threat and opportunity and should be integrated into the calculation for the future analysis.